Okay, so some of you were asking how the jailhouse inmate brew was going to come out, and basically all I did was go to the dollar store, got this green apple drink, and I threw about 3 cups of sugar in here, took some off the head, so I leave head space, and threw bread yeast in there, Fleischmann's bread yeast. This is inmate brew, so you got to use ingredients that you'd get at a regular supermarket. And I let this thing ferment for about 8 days. The first 3 days I had an overflow, so I had to use an overflow tube. But you can see how... But then I put the airlock back on, and it probably stopped after 5 days, but I waited 8. And it's delicious. It's extremely sweet. Sweeter than I expected. You do actually taste the apple in there. And it tastes carbonated. Like a soda, not like a heavy soda, but... like a soda that's sort of losing its fizz. It has I don't know how to explain it. You can feel the carbonation inside of it. So I'm wondering if I put this in the... my cat wants to try it. So, come on, out of the way. So if I put it in the fridge, which I probably will do, I'm going to have to leave the cap a little bit loose. I have some potassium sorbate downstairs, but I don't want to do anything like that to it. I just want to drink it the way it is. It's about 16%. Actually, I didn't do a hydro reading on it, but it's done. It is sweet, though. Apple and the sugar, I thought it would be more alcohol-y taste because of all the sugar I threw in there, but it's very sweet. It's delicious. It's not going to last, so I'm going to grab a few different flavors and get about 4 or 5 of these things going. Okay. And I didn't do anything to clarify it, obviously. I know you could do gelatin, you could do cold crashing, but I dump it, I jump right in, I drink. Alright, see you guys. Also, one other quick thing I forgot to mention. Yes, I actually used this little strainer filter, put it into a 1-gallon carboy, and then cleaned out the container I fermented it in and put it right back in. There really wasn't much on the bottom either. Like, everything was gone. There was no sediment, nothing. I figured with bread yeast I'd have sediment, but it was clean. So I just rinsed it out and then refiltered it back in just using that strainer, and that's it. Okay, see you guys.